Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Hidayat. This time I will explain how to configurasi wireless blitz. This is topology I am using. This is router 1 and this is router 2. Router 1 is router server and router 2 is router client. This is router server is I am configurasi DHCP server and I am configurasi wireless mode AP blitz. And in the router client, I am configurasi DHCP client and configurasi wireless mode station blitz. And this is I am using network 192.168.88.0. Step configuration. The first, open your Winbox, login to router 1 with the MAC address and check interface you're using. Tap interface plane. This is interface Ether 2 connect to laptop and interface VLAN this is disabled. And I am add interface Ether 2 and interface VLAN to interface bridge. The configurasi interface bridge, type interface bridge, add name. I am using name server and click enter. Check interface again. Type interface print. And this is you can see interface number 6 turning. This is name server and table bridge. And next, add interface Ether 2 and interface VLAN for interface server. Type interface type interface bridge port add bridge server. This is interface bridge circuit and interface VLAN 1 and type again interface bridge port add bridge server interface Ether 2 and click enter. And this is router is reboot because your add interface Ether 2 to interface server. Login again, click reconnect and check interface this port in. You can see two interface VLAN 1 and interface Ether 2 bridge server. Interface VLAN 1 flag is inactive because interface VLAN 1 not using. And next configuration IP address to interface server. Type IP address at address. This is topology I am using IP 192.168.88.1/24 and interface server and click enter. And check IP address circuit, type IP address print. And this is IP address 192.168.88.1/24 success circuit and network 192.168.88.0 interface server. Next konfigurasi IP DHCP server setup. Type IP DHCP server setup. And DHCP server setup interface. Type interface server. Click enter and DHCP dash space 192.168.88.0/24. And gateway for the DHCP network, this is IP address in the interface server. IP 192.168.88.1. Click enter and address to give out 192.168.88.2 until 192.168.88.251 and click enter. DNS server, you can using DNS Google IP 8.8.8.8 and enter. Last time default 10 minutes, enter. And check DHCP server your create. Type IP DHCP server print. And this is you can see IP DHCP server name DHCP1 interface server address pool DHCP pool 0 last time 10 minutes. Next configurasi next configuration interface VLAN 1. The first interface, check interface wireless, type interface wireless print. And this is interface VLAN 1. Next, disable. You can enable interface VLAN 1, type interface wireless enable VLAN 1 and click enter. Check again interface wireless print. And this is interface VLAN 1 is active. And next, create security profile for interface VLAN 1. Type interface wireless security profile, add name. I am name wireless bridge, and type ketik wireless bridge and authentication types WPA with PSK and WPA2 with PSK and dynamic this is dynamic mode dynamic key and authentication WPA PSK and WPA2 PSK and WPA preset key. This is password to interface VLAN 1. I am using password pelajar TKJ and WPA2 preset key. I am using pelajar TKJ and click enter. Check interface security your create interface wireless security print. And this is your success create interface wireless security next. And next configurasi VLAN 1, that interface wireless set VLAN 1 mode. I am using mode AP bridge and SSID. I am using SSID Tuma Moprek and security profile. I am using security profile and I am create this is name wireless bridge and click enter. Check interface wireless LIN and this is wireless interface wireless name VLAN 1 mode AP bridge SSID Dumang oprek and frequency 2412 and next configuration router 2 remote router 2 I am login to router 2, click connect and check interface create interface reducing tab interface print. This is I am user interface router 2 to laptop and interface VLAN 1 and create interface bridge tab this is click the connect check interface print. This is I am using interface router 2 and I want bridge interface 2 and VLAN 1. The first, create interface bridge type interface bridge add name. I am using name client and click enter. Type interface bridge print and this is you can see interface client. Just check interface print. This is number 6 running interface client type bridge and next configuration add interface router 2 and interface VLAN 1 to interface client bridge. Add interface bridge port. Add bridge. This is bridge destination is client and interface VLAN 1. Click enter. Add interface bridge port. Add bridge client interface. This is interface router 2 and click enter and check interface. This is router is remote because you add interface router 2 to interface client and check interface this port. Type interface this port bin and this is you can see interface VLAN 1 and interface router 2 bridge type to interface client and next configuration interface VLAN 1 interface wireless type interface wireless print and this is interface wireless VLAN 1 is disabled. You can enable VLAN 1 tab interface wireless enable VLAN 1 and click enter. Check again interface wireless print and this is interface wireless VLAN 1 is the enable Next configuration, create security profile and using security profile the server. Type interface wireless security profile and this is I am client and mode dynamic case authentication VPA VSK and VPA2 VSK and VPA preset case. This is password access point in the router server. Router server using password pelajar TKJ and VPA2 using password pelajar TKJ and click enter. Check interface wireless security profile create. Type interface wireless security profile print and this is you can see name client and authentication type VPA, PSK and VPA to PSK and password pelajar TKJ and next konfigurasi interface wireless WLAN 1. Tap interface wireless set WLAN 1 mode. This is I am mode station bridge and the before konfigurasi WLAN 1 type interface wireless scan and number WLAN 1 this is number 0 and click enter and this is interface SSID rumah ngoprek. IAM is connect IAM1 connect SSID rumah ngoprek. Klik Ctrl C and next set konfigurasi WLAN 1 type interface wireless set WLAN 1 mode station bridge and SSID this is SSID and I1 connect to rumah ngoprek and security profile and using security profile create. This is security profile client and click enter. Check interface wireless print and this is interface wireless print is the running interface wireless in router 2 is connect to wireless AP bridge in router 1 and next request IP address from router 1 type IP DHCP client interface IP DHCP client at interface client disable no. This is I am using interface client and enter. Check IP DHCP client print and this is IP DHCP client success create and this is get IP address 192.168.88.253/24 and check IP address print. This is IP address router 2 192.168.88.253 and check ping to router 1 using IP 192.168.88.1 and click enter and this is router 2 is the connect router 1 use with the wireless, and check in the client, connect to SSID rumah ngoprek and click connect. Enter the network security case. This is password pelajar spasi TKJ, and this is password pelajar TKJ, and click next. And saving and connect, and waiting to connect. And this is has connect, click properties, and this is IP address automatics or CP, and SSID rumah ngoprek, IP address to get my laptop with the wireless. This is 192.168.88.252, and login again to inbox and click new inbox. This is your CAN remote router 1, and click connect. Check IP DHCP server list print. This is IP DHCP server list print 192.168.88.254. This is IP in network internet setting. Change adapter. This is IP Ethernet 192.168.88.254. Back again to inbox. Back again to router 1, and this is IP 192.168.88.253. This is router 2, IP router 2, IP router 2 192.168.88.254. And last, IP 192.168.88.252. This is IP wireless. Check status, details, and this is IP wireless 192.168.88.253. And configuration success, and configuration bridging to with the wireless is success. Thank you.